we shall see how to make a beautiful tricolor umbrella and celebrate this Republic Day with lots of colors and joy. Shall we start? The materials required are 6 pieces of 7x7 square orange color, 8 pieces of 7x7 square white and 6 pieces of 7x7 green, scale, pencil, glue, scissors and 1 toothpick. Now draw a circle and cut all the papers in the same shape. Now fold the circle into a cone shape like this and paste it on small glue. Fold into half and then apply some glue in the middle, only in the middle, and then fold it again. Let's stick all the pieces together. In the same way, apply some glue in the middle and these 2 pieces together. Orange, 6 pieces of green and 4 pieces each in white. You have to stick in this way. Now our beautiful tricolor umbrella is ready. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Also, please do subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get notifications on all videos. Thank you.